The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. NASA has discovered some unidentified aircraft roaming around the sky across the United States. These aircraft are similar to alien aircraft, but cannot be confirmed at this time. It is also not confirmed if these aircraft are hostile or not. As a precaution, all residents across the United States are advised to shelter in place. This is not mandatory, but is strongly recommended to avoid possible danger with these aircraft. You know how to shelter in place. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this situation. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA and the United States government. Residents across the United States, shelter in place immediately. The aircraft that were discovered in the sky 40 minutes ago are, indeed, very hostile. These aircraft were last seen shooting down buildings with lasers that are very fatal to human life, and they were also seen shooting down humans and other objects with their lasers. More aircraft are coming in by the second, and it is possible where these aircraft can spread across the entire globe. It is unknown who or what is controlling the aircraft, but all residents of the United States, as well as the entire North American continent, are strongly ordered to shelter in place immediately. Should you choose not to, you are putting your life in extreme danger. The aircraft is expected to spread to Canada, Central America, and the rest of the North American continent in the next 6 hours. NASA will be trying to decode the exact nature of these aircraft. Shelter in place now. You know what to do. In addition, the following states are ordered to evacuate now: North Carolina, Virginia, South Carolina, Kentucky, Texas, Ohio, Alabama, Florida, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, including New York City, Maine, Maryland, and Georgia. These states are in extreme danger and need to be evacuated now due to the possible explosions the power plants in these states may cause. Underground shelters you need to get to now during this time, but these states need to evacuate, as radioactive fallout will be all over the place in these states. Additionally, these aircraft have been causing explosions to occur in underground areas of the states that need to evacuate now. An underground explosion might be possible, which means underground shelters in these states won't be enough to protect yourself. All residents in the following states: North Carolina, Virginia, South Carolina, Kentucky, Texas, Ohio, Alabama, Florida, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, including New York City, Maine, Maryland, and Georgia, are ordered to evacuate immediately. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. An emergency action notification remains in effect for the entire globe until further notice. The alien attack that started all over the United States one day ago has spread all across the North American continent. These aliens are attacking the human race. The aliens are also beginning to spread into the South American continent. To protect your lives, shelter in place immediately. These aliens are also attracted to sound, movement, light, power, energy, and eyes. So, do not eat anything. Do not drink anything. Close your eyes tightly. Do not move. Do not make noises. Do not use anything that requires power. A battery-powered radio might be fine. Do not use anything that uses light. And do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, NASA, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The aircraft were inspected by NASA. Additionally, creatures of unknown origin were seen exiting out of the aircraft. These creatures are aliens, at about 20 feet tall, with black skin mixed with gray. They are skinny, but weigh like 50 tons, with red, glowing eyes. These aliens were last seen crushing people with their feet, ultimately their weight. In addition, the aliens released this extremely contagious and deadly virus, known as ED virus. ED, lol. This virus is airborne, and can spread to others very fast. All residents in the United States are ordered to shelter in place now. To shelter in place, get indoors now. Lock your doors and windows, turn all lights off. Get underground now. Make sure you have enough supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, or anything you're gonna need until further notice. The president is being taken to a safe location and cannot make a message to the American people at this time. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. It is expected for these aliens to spread across the globe within the next 5 hours.
Welcome to the Emergency News Network. We are in one heck of a nightmare, everyone. We all thought they were fake, but they are real after all. This is like a scary movie, everyone. This is scary, everyone. An alien attack has started in the United States, which now spread across the entire North American continent. These aliens can use lasers to shoot down humans, buildings, and other objects. This is a very life-threatening situation, and must not be ignored for any reason. The aliens are expected to continue spreading to the South American continent, and it is possible where they can spread across the Atlantic Ocean and beyond. The virus, known as ED virus, has been inspected by the CDC, and their symptoms are pretty strange, but very deadly. These symptoms include vomiting, making themselves exit their shelters and coming towards the aliens, commit suicide, if necessary, headaches, vomiting blood, transformations of unknown, and reading of the eyes. The aliens are continuing to spread to other locations across the North American continent. Additionally, the aliens have now spread all across the South American continent. All flights across the North and South American continent, as well as bus rides, trains, and other sources of transportation have been cancelled until further notice. Please do not evacuate, it is too dangerous and may result in death. Rely on your own methods to protect yourselves.
We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. No new update about the virus was discovered, but the aliens spread all across the entire globe. The outcome of the human race is not confirmed at this time. These aliens were last seen shooting down humans, buildings, and other objects. Because of this situation, it is possible where the aliens can terminate the entire world. You are ordered to not panic during this time, as panicking will not increase your chance of survival. These aliens are attracted to sound, movement, light, power, energy, and eyes. So, do not eat anything. Do not drink anything. Close your eyes tightly. Do not move. Do not make noises. Do not use anything that requires power. A battery-powered radio might be fine. Do not use anything that uses light. And do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. All residents across the world are ordered to shelter in place immediately and do those steps to protect yourselves, including hiding yourself in an underground that is completely dark and silent. This is a very dangerous and life-threatening situation. You will be killed if you venture outside, as aliens have been reported in all cities, towns, and villages of the entire globe. The military has been dispatched to deal with this situation. Well, they have been since this first started. This broadcast will now cease. This is an emergency action termination. The aliens have been killed, and a cure for ED virus has been successful. Over 50,000 people across the world have been killed during this time. The military was able to destroy the large alien ship that had been discovered 5 years ago. It has been a very long alien attack, and it's now time for things to get back to normal around here. Normal programming may now resume at this time. Your government thanks you for your participation during this emergency.